What's up guys? Nagbabalik tayo guys. Aaron Caralde guys. So, ayan guys. Nalakad tayo guys. So, ito pala yung bahay na ginagawa dito guys. Second floor siya guys. So, maraming park dito guys. Oh, ayan guys. Malapit na siya mabuo guys. So, ayan guys. Lakad tayo guys. So, ayan guys. So, lapit na siya guys. Kunti na lang yan guys. Sa loob na lang yung kulang guys. Oh. So ayan guys. So may mga bahay pa dito guys. Oh. Kung gusto nyong paggawa ng bahay at gusto nyong may style guys, dito lang kayo kumuha guys kung anong gusto nyo ang itsura ng bahay nyo. Ayan guys. Oh, may school bus pat dito guys. So napakalaki ng sasakyan guys. So pwede din dito guys papunta Bonidon Sipway guys Center. Dito din yung shortcut guys. So kung gagawin natin ngayon, lalakad-lakad lang kasi naubos na yung resume ko guys sa kaka-apply. Sana guys, huwag nyo kalimutan ipag-pray si Tatay Digong guys. Sana guys, araw-araw tayong magdasal kay Tatay Digong guys na hahabaan pa ang life niya guys. So, ayan guys, may bahay pa dito guys. So yan muna ngayon guys. So hindi ba nakasubscribe sa YouTube channel guys, please subscribe my YouTube channel at Aaron James at Aaron Caralde. Hindi kayo napulol ako guys. Don't forget to click the notification bell na all para updated kayo guys. Aaron Caralde guys, YouTube channel. And don't forget to share to your friend, family and relatives guys. See ya. Have a great day and have a wonderful day.